if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. If you follow my channel though, you probably think, she looks exactly the same as in the last video. And yes, it's true because I'm filming a few videos in one go, because why not? So my previous video, I did a review and a tutorial on this Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Gilded Palette. I don't want to spoil anything if you haven't seen a video yet. A link is in here, you guys can check it out. But this video, I thought I'm gonna do a quick review of the same line of this Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection. But I wanted to test it out, the lip toppers. This one is still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, swatched it. All I've seen was the pictures online, so I have no idea if it's any good or no. So the one I got is the color Exquisite. Let's just open this up. So plastic wrap is off. Really like the packaging to begin with. I really like the packaging in general of this jewel collection. That gold shimmery, it looks a bit like a foil, like a gold foil, but it's no texture in it at all. It's all smooth, but it looks, I hope you see this, it looks like it's a gold foil going on. That's the only way I could explain. Okay, let's do a quick swatch. Smells of nothing. Love it so far. I'm not a fan of the smell in cosmetics and makeup, or yeah, so no smell whatsoever. Thumbs up. Okay, let's do a swatch. Do you guys see what I see? Oh my god, you guys. Okay, let's see if it's sticky or not, but so far, I'm loving what I see. Okay, I can't tell if it's sticky so far. It blends in very easy though. This could literally be used as a liquid highlighter. I mean, look at that. And I think you could just use it as a lipstick, not even a lipstick topper, just on its own to have some shimmer in the lip. But I think I'm gonna use it as a lipstick topper, as I do have now lipstick on, one by Revolution Pro, and it's a Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in Premonition. Okay, let's try this Exquisite. Wow, do you see, guys? What? Okay. Alright, I am really loving it. It feels so nice on the lips, by the way. It feels really nice on the lips. It feels very moisturizing, not sticky at all. Because this is what I was a bit afraid and scared of, because that's the main reason why I don't wear liquid gloss lipsticks or anything like that. I wear usually just matte, because most of the time it's super sticky. But this one, it's not sticky at all, can you see? I'm loving this. So on the website, if you would check, they have 3 different colors. One is like a rose gold, a gold, and more of a silvery effect to it. I really like this one, so I went for this color. I regret now for not ordering all 3 colors because it looks absolutely amazing, I think. Can you see, guys? I am loving this. Yeah, loving this. That's the only way I can say I am loving this. I think that's the end of the video. Honestly, guys, loving this. I think all the products that I tried so far from Makeup Revolution since the beginning, because I've been using actually Makeup Revolution products since they started, when it wasn't even popular, no one knew really about it. But I found out that accidentally in a Superdrug, and I just started buying it and loving it. And I think my love for Makeup Revolution is just growing more and more every time I purchase a brand new product, because the quality is just getting high up with every new product that we release. So yeah, really love this. Thumbs up from me. I do recommend this, and if you're thinking that it's sponsored, it's absolutely not sponsored. My true opinion, as always, even if I do the sponsored reviews, I'll still see what I think. And if I like it, I'll tell you, and if I hate it, I'll tell you as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this super quick review and demo video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel, and I'll see you soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Ciao, ciao.